Ever feel like you're constantly juggling a million tasks, struggling to keep up with the demands of work and life? Well, you're not alone. The key to mastering this chaos lies in the art of goal prioritization. It's not just about making lists or checking boxes. It's about strategically aligning your efforts to achieve personal and professional success. By prioritizing your goals, you unlock a world of efficiency, reduced stress, and heightened productivity. Imagine reclaiming control of your time, focusing on what truly matters, and watching your accomplishments soar. That's the power of goal prioritization. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Setting clear, measurable goals is your first step towards effective prioritization. Whether they're short-term, medium-term, or long-term, each goal plays a crucial role in shaping your path to success. Remember, specificity is key. Vague goals lead to vague outcomes. Enter the Eisenhower matrix, a game-changer in the realm of task prioritization. Urgent versus important, a simple yet powerful concept that categorizes your to-dos into four quadrants. From immediate action items to tasks that can be delegated or eliminated, this matrix empowers you to make informed decisions and maximize your efficiency. But beware of time wasters lurking in the shadows. Social media, unnecessary meetings, multitasking. These distractions can derail your progress if left unchecked. Learn to say no to activities that don't align with your priorities and watch your focus sharpen like never before. Now, let's talk daily tasks. The ABCD method is your secret weapon. From must-do tasks to those that can be delegated or eliminated, this method streamlines your to-do list and ensures you tackle high-impact items first. Remember, prioritizing your tasks sets the tone for a successful day. Flexibility is the final piece of the puzzle. Life is unpredictable, and priorities can shift in an instant. Embrace adaptability, stay nimble, and adjust your focus as needed. By staying flexible, you not only reduce stress but also ensure that your most critical tasks remain on track. So there you have it, the roadmap to effective goal prioritization. Stay informed, stay motivated, and most importantly, take action. Your journey to success starts now. It's time to prioritize like never before and watch your goals transform into reality. Time blocking, the Pomodoro technique, and the MIT strategy, three powerful tools to revolutionize your time management game. Let's dive in. Imagine your day as a puzzle, with each task a piece waiting to be placed. Time blocking is your blueprint, your guide to fitting those pieces together seamlessly. By allocating specific time slots to tasks, you create a structured roadmap for your day, ensuring focus and efficiency. Now, enter the Pomodoro technique, a game changer for enhancing focus and productivity. Set a timer for 25 minutes, work intensely, then reward yourself with a short break. Rinse and repeat. This method not only boosts productivity but also combats burnout by promoting regular breaks. Next up, the MIT strategy, identifying and tackling your most important tasks first. By prioritizing these tasks, you ensure that your energy is channeled into what truly matters, setting the tone for a successful day. Integrating these strategies into your daily routine is key. Start your day by identifying your MITs, then block out time for them. Use the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus and momentum. Remember, consistency is key to mastering these techniques. But let's address the elephant in the room: common challenges in prioritization, procrastination, distractions, overwhelm. We've all been there. The key is to stay adaptable, learn from setbacks, and keep refining your approach. In conclusion, mastering time management is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the power of time blocking, the Pomodoro technique, and the MIT strategy to unlock your full potential. Your time is precious, use it wisely.